Well, is going to play for us and sing Love Song, Evangeline.
Head underwater, and you tell me to breathe easy for a while. The breathing gets harder, even I know that. Make room for me, it's too soon to see if I'm happy in your hand. I'm usually hard to hold on to. Blank stares at blank pages, no easy way to say this. You lean back, but you make this hard on me. I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause you asked for it, 'cause you need one. You see, I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause you tell me it ain't go breaking this. If you're on your way, I'm not gonna beg you to stay. All you have is even I need a better reason to write you a love song today. Today, convince